Hi, welcome to the weekly Dubai News Digest from Colife. I'm Irene, and here's everything you need to know. The weather forecast, key events, places to go, and of course the best apartment deals of the week. Let's go! Daytime temperatures are expected to be around 35 degrees Celsius and nighttime around 25 degrees Celsius. No rainfall expected. Emaar announces a contest for an original projection design for Burj Khalifa with a prize of 100,000 dirham. Over the past year, more than 9,000 properties were sold in Dubai land, with a total of $7.3 billion. What's happening in Dubai this week? International Conference on Gender, Feminism, Entrepreneurship and Economic Growth on May 29th. Unique Show Stomp will take place in Dubai Opera from May 29th to May 31st. DJ Kygo World Tour Part 2 concert at the Coca-Cola Arena on May 30th. Here are the best apartment deals of the week. All apartments are fully furnished and ready to move in. Contact us for booking or more info. Link in the description. Restaurant recommendation of the week. Tutto Pasta, located at Delano Hotel. Italian cuisine. Atmosphere, located in Burj Khalifa. European cuisine. That was your Dubai News Digest. Subscribe so you don't miss out on what's important. See you next time.